What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Tug and Pull Fishing. Today we're going to be installing the Garmin fish finder. I hope everybody had a good Christmas and New Year's. So tonight we're going to be installing this Garmin because in the morning we have a crappie tournament here in Lubbock at Dunbar Lake. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of go step by step of how I'm gonna put this fish finder at. So stay tuned. So we went through I don't know how many different places to put this fish finder at. And where I typically like to fish is in the back of the boat next to the transom. My John boat has a single seat, and that's where I typically like to fish at. So here's my John boat right here. Like I said, mine has a single seat. It doesn't come all the way across. My John boat is a 1970 model, and so it was probably before they even decided to make it a full bench. So my first idea was to put the fish finder here, but it wouldn't work because I typically like to stand on here and fish on top. The next idea was to fish it here where we already have a hole that's right here, which that's gonna be another project some other time. But it just wouldn't make ideal that me being on top of the bench. So what we come up with is putting it here, putting our hose right there, and making the fish finder the final home, the final place right there where I can be able to look at it and see what's going on in the front and back. So let's go ahead and finish drilling our hose out and get this mounted. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drill our 3 holes for the mount for the fish finder. So we are using a 1/8 of an inch drill bit for these because that's what it calls for. So let's get it screwed in. All right, guys, so we got our fish finder on the mount, so we can go ahead and take it off. Just a little clip, push it back, voila, there we go. So it comes with 3 little stainless steel screws, and we're gonna go ahead and put those in. Let's go ahead and I'll just play it and then I'll just edit it at the end. Get started. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and have the bracket facing straight up so we can slide the fish finder off once we get done with it. The only problem with it going through the boat is that we have the screws coming out. And you can see it's sort of a sore eye. It's right on the crease of the boat. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of grind them off. Not all the way, but just enough to where we can have a head on them, kind of like a rivet. Let me know what would y'all do in this situation right here. See, that's pretty good. And you just hit it with the hammer. Oh yeah. Hey. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and hit it, kind of just smash it in just a little bit more. Wiggle room at all. Yeah, so we're gonna throw that fish finder on there. Just like this. Clips on. There you go. And we'll have enough room to where we can put our power and our transducer in there, so it'll be all good. We'll just run the wire back this way. Probably open over here, back this way, and install our transducer there. But so far so good. That's pretty sturdy right there, bro. Gotcha. All right, guys. So the best spot to put the transducer is gonna be somewhere right here, level with the bottom of the boat, because I think that's where the water level is gonna be at. So we got it right there. That's pretty level with the boat and with the water, so we won't have that interference with the trolling motor or the motor, whichever we prefer to use. So we're gonna go ahead and screw this in and see how it looks. All right. Sturdy. Hold up. Oh yeah, that looks good right there. Yeah, there you go. So whenever we're not using it, just flip it back up. It's time to go. That's the level too. Yeah, and it'll clear this whenever we go in the water. It had to float just a little bit, so that's one of my main things. I don't want the transducer hitting the border of this. So we could just go ahead and put it a wire through like so, and then run her up, and we'll figure it out from there. Rudy. All right, guys. So our initial plan was to run the transducer cable above, and then just kind of stuff it up in here, and then have the plug go in there. But it didn't look right. So we're gonna go ahead and drill through the transom, run the cable across, come back there, run out there, kind of give it a clean look. And since the fish finder came with this little cover, we're gonna go ahead and use it, drill it in there, screw it, and it should be good to go.
Probably should have got 3/8 bit.
It's almost there, I think.
Is it? Can you feel it? Can you?
I can't feel heat, but
I'm pretty sure that motherfucker's baking.
I think we're gonna take that off right there. You see that?
Yep. So it's a piece of aluminum whenever he drilled it in. Stopped it from going in. But it's about to put it in the hole real good now.
Alright guys. After many trials of getting this transducer put on, we finally got it. Of course, when we get in the water, put it down. Went ahead and screwed this on. We had to drill the hole out just a little bit bigger, just so that it can, what would you call that?
Mount flush.
So we can mount flush inside there, because it has something to go inside of the hole.
We had like a round wall that was bigger than the hose, so we had to drill a little hole bigger. That way it would go flush into the aluminum.
So I don't know if you can see it in there. It's flushed in there. We have our transducer wire coming out. We have it shoved up in there, out of the way. I know it's not fancy or pretty, but that's what we got. And we have like a little cable nail, staple, put it right there to hold the, transducer. We did do it to where it wasn't tight and it's not gonna pinch the transducer cable after it's been there for a while. So we ran it across. We put a clamp right there that came with the fish finder, and there she is. Final product. Yeah, go ahead and turn that on. It's a lot of work. So the final product, go ahead and
Red wire.
plug it up.
Red wire, of course, with the positive.
Today I just got this motor, the 29 deep cycle motor at Walmart today.
You got a motor?
Did I say a motor?
Yeah, I think this is a battery.
Oh yeah, that's right. You know what, guys? It's a 29 deep cycle battery
It's a little late.
that I got from Walmart. It is kind of late. So this right here is going to make sure that we have our transducer and our trolling motor on all day. So we hooked up now. Hit the power. And voila. Oh, let's see, that's kind of dark. Oh, there you go, right there. Transducer's working, or the fish finder's working. Have it on demo. Well, it's supposed to be. I guess I had it on demo whenever I was trying it out. Oh yeah, that's good right there. Let's see, system simulator. Turn it on. Back out. Go to clear view.
That's what you're gonna look at it at night anyway.
Yeah. There she is. Nice and working.
Is that a fish right there? Oh.
I don't think that's fish. Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. We got the transducer on. We got our brand new battery put in. Whoa. That's a light that has a Bluetooth on there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's been a long time since the giveaway. It's probably like my last video that I made. But with the holiday and New Year's, it's kind of tough to make videos. And it's been really cold out here, so it's kind of hard to get out. So hope you enjoyed it. Wait, we're doing a fishing tournament tomorrow, huh?
Yes, sir.
So this ain't the end of the video. So y'all stay tuned for that one. So we're gonna call it a night, and hopefully when you see us, we'll be fishing or back in the boat up. It's supposed to snow later on, in the morning or tomorrow evening.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday
Or
will snow.
well, they're calling for this today for snow, and it's kind of foggy outside. So hopefully next time you see me, we'll be on the water. So until then, we'll see you on the next one.